how to download Instagram videos. Now, if you want to download the Instagram videos, the Instagram or the Meta, which is the parent company of Instagram, does not allow directly to download videos from Instagram. And in this case, if you want to download the videos from Instagram, you must use the third-party softwares or sites. But it is not always suggested because of the internet traffic and harm that it possesses. But if you are in some kind of emergency and you need some videos for some purpose, then you can just simply open your browser and search for Instagram video downloader. There will be a lot of options. Just simply open any of the sites that you would like to use. Then after opening that site, you just simply need to paste the video link from Instagram which you would like to download in this box right here. Just simply paste the link and tap to download button. And after doing this much, there will be a list of videos in different quality which you would like to download. Just simply pick the quality, and this is how you can very easily download the videos from Instagram. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.